Okay guys, Benidorm Crazy Marcus back once again with another video. Alright guys, back with another vid here in Benidorm. It's the Mercado, the medieval, one of my favourite markets here in Benidorm. If you're wondering where I've been lately, I've been on a bit of a break, to say the least. Yeah, a bit stressed, but back now, hopefully back to normal vids, ghost hunts, etc. More coming soon. I'll show you the sign. They are Mercado, the medieval. So the first bit we'll be taking a look at is like the food court. You've got many different foods down here, from Turkish style cafe slash restaurant to, of course, your typical Spanish foods, pepperoni, chorizo, jamon, iberico, stuff like that. So let's go have a look, shall we? So a few kids games down here just to keep kids out of trouble. Down by Yellow Submarine, all this as well in Ultra Park if you want to come down. Mind you, it is nearly finished guys, so you'll probably miss it. Normal dates, I think it starts the 9th of May and goes on till the 12th or 13th, I think. But as you can see, tons of stuff. Got this awesome sweet store. Shame I'm on a diet, or at least trying to be on a diet. Anyway, tons of other YouTubers have already filmed this. I think one of my least favourite tubers is down here. There's all your cheese, your chorizo, etc. Probably expensive, but I mean, well worth the taste. The cream bananas. Just tons of awesome stuff down there, guys. Shops there as well. Is my favourite one, like a Turkish themed cafe, sort of like something out of the bazaar of Constantinople, which is what the Turks call Istanbul, which I only think I know actually because of Assassin's Creed. So yeah, gaming does teach kids, guys. Handmade pasties there from Argentina. Nice. Of course, you got your sangria as well. Comment down below, guys, if you want to see a Barcus. Muchas gracias, señor. Sample. Quite tasty that. Barbecue chicken, I think that was. Yeah, quite a nice taste that. Anyway, I forgot what I was saying now. Oh yeah, right, that's what I was saying. Comment down below if you want to see a Barcus version of sangria. Should be interesting. Got this other little place here. doing different stuff to it so I can get there. So that's all your food bit of that. Then of course, if you do come further up ahead, like right the end of Ultra Park, you do eventually come to more of like the gift stores, which I might go have a look at, even though there's a nutcase round there shouting and preaching. Hotel H Temple Oponiente there as well. Before I forget as well, they do have like bands go down through the market occasionally playing music. They have different characters as well, like the queens, the knights, all that. So this is where it starts. The market starts up here, then just goes all the way through Ultra Park. You've got so many different things like food stores, jewellery stores, toy stores. I'll try to zoom in a bit if I can. There we are. Just absolutely tons of stuff you can get down there. Quite a fair few of the spiritual shops as well, which is my favourite place to go because of the new fids. But you can just see some of the stuff they do down here is pretty well detailed, pretty good quality, and all in front of the beach. See if we can get the character on this. So far we've had the Queen. I wonder if we can catch the troublemakers. Just tons of stores all on this side of the path, so it is a bit tight down there, but just such a good thing to come and have a look at. All the customised mugs. Before I forget, guys, check out the channel, like and subscribe. New challenge. Well, I've still got my other challenge of commenting down below where you're watching from and seeing how far we can get to. The next challenge is, let's see if I can hit, let's say, 4,500 subs before my birthday on the 6th of June. Tons of stuff down there. Handbags, purses, homemade jewellery. And of course the kids play area as well. More sweets there. I think they've got the weather for it so far as well, which is rather good, being as we were due a storm. Like we were due that storm, I think it were last night and night before, yet it keeps getting set back. Oh, wrong. I hadn't turned around yet. Sorry guys. There we are. You just got all these different stores selling different stuff, like some are sort of similar with the type of stuff, whereas some are different. Laser cut products there. just a beautiful sort of thing down here, guys. Tons of stuff. And as always, I've come late to the party. The official inauguration of this were on Thursday, and yeah, we completely forgot. To be fair, we didn't just forget. I think it's because Mike's been bad as well. Got your tourmalina there as well. Pretty good stuff for a certain thing we do on the channel, guys. Not going to say what thing, because everyone copies you. Like literally all your toy weapons there. Tons of stuff. One of them places where you could spend quite a lot of money down here because of the amount of awesome stuff that is down here. Forgot to show you the places as well. Up in the sky you got Gonzales, all the different regions, I think. Some pretty good stuff down there. And rather randomly, Grogu. Just tons of stuff. And something that I've only just noticed. I'll try to catch this if I can, hopefully not get copyrighted. That's some of the entertainment you have on. Some points as well, they have a belly dancer go through as well. And I think if I'm not wrong, I think this is all put on by the local Peñas as well, I think, to celebrate like the medieval sort of history of Benidorm, which is pretty awesome because I mean we have got quite a medieval background with the castle, that of course being a castle back in the day overlooking the Med to protect Benidorm.
Yeah. I remember having one of them when I was little.
Some pretty awesome stuff down here. Of course, the Dove's still down there as well because it is their main home. Then come round corner. Character thing there. Got the local choir, which is the normal thing in Benidorm. Love how like the culture is here, like calmer. Then yeah, that's a Mercado de Medieval, but the bit people don't show you is the chaos it causes to the road, because Normally cars will come down here or from town and straight down that road, but now they're having a sort of try-squeeze up the back of the yellow submarine, which is quite hard for some of the coaches around here. Anyway, yeah, that was Benidorm's Mercado de Medieval. I do believe that there is a better one in Finistrat, which is earlier in the month, I think. Well, not the month, earlier in the year, and that is in like the actual Finistrat, like the Finistrat village, where all the cobbled streets are, etc. And I've heard that's better, but yeah. Beautiful, ain't it, guys? Anyway, so yeah, hit the like, hit subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below where you're watching from. Let's see if we can get further out than Australia. And also, let's try to get to 4,500 subscribers before my birthday on June the 6th. I know we can do it, guys. I know we can do it. Because I am probably the best YouTuber in Benidorm, the most hard-working one in Benidorm, so yeah, could be done. So shaking her head, not believing me. Anyway, yeah, see you next time, guys. So I think we're gonna get back home now and have a chill. So, peace.